So now we're gonna show you another dish. So it's actually right now our starter into the menu, because it's still winter time. We have an amazing onion and sourdough bread soup, because our sourdough bread, it's very important to us and to our culture, so we don't want to waste any out of it, and it's a good thing to bring that back in the process to do another dish out of it. So we did the soup out of it. Then you have a little tortelloni, what's filled with different kind of mushrooms, because here in the mountains we have plenty of sap and chanterelle mushrooms, and we go out, always go out by ourselves and collect them, so we had to preserve them in a way, and so we did an amazing filling out of it. And the whole thing, it's then seasoned with some dried meat, what we have here in Switzerland. There's like a very cool guy, Jörg Brücker. He still does it like the really traditional old way. So he opens up the windows every morning, and the airstream goes through his dry meat. So it's very natural dried. We have here those amazing little filled tortelloni. They just have been cooked in salt water, and then they just went through brown butter. Just gonna take now a couple of it. And we have a little bit of lemon thyme from our garden, so it gives like a very nice seasoning into it. And to get even more intense flavor of the mushrooms, we have done a dried sap mushroom oil. Pour it into it. As I said, now to actually season the whole dish, we use that amazing dried meat. So that gives like, that's a bit our katsuobushi, what we have here in the mountains, you know, so it gives a really nice umami into it and a very damp flavor. And yeah, normally we would go like this to the table, and then we pour the soup table side. And for me that's a very amazing start into the winter menu, because something very traditionally what fits to Switzerland, and something that gives you a very nice warm feeling at the beginning, so you're ready to have the full tasting menu.